Hello friends, do you love editing photographs and sharing them on social media? I'm sure you all do. In this video, we are going to introduce one very useful mobile app for image editing that you all are going to love. This app is PicsArt. Yes, PicsArt is a very popular and useful mobile app that you can use to make photograph editing, remixing, applying special effects and rich filters. Did you know that PicsArt has been downloaded over 350 plus million times and is used by over 85 million people worldwide? It is also available in over 30 languages. Awesome, isn't it? You can create collage of your images, make stickers and drawings and animated gifs using PicsArt. PicsArt offers you unlimited image editing capabilities so that you can do more than just applying a filter. Only your creativity is the limit. Just edit your latest photograph or image and share it with your friends on social media with ease. This is a lightweight app available for Android, iOS and Windows devices. You can join PicsArt using either your email or via your social media accounts. Once you join PicsArt, you need to select at least 3 interests and follow some of the PicsArt artists. The free version of this app comes with advertisements in it, but the premium version, that is called PicsArt Gold, comes completely ad-free. It also offers a great range of premium filters, 200 plus premium fonts, 100 plus premium overlays, 100 plus frames and collages, 100 plus premium stickers and much more. A friendly customer support is offered for PicsArt Gold members. You can also get access to many fonts and new stickers are added every month. PicsArt Gold comes at only $3.99 per month if paid annually or $7.99 if paid monthly. It also comes with a 3 days free trial. If you want to get PicsArt Gold plan, then please click the link given below in the description. Now, let's have a look at PicsArt Competition. Competition is a way to encourage people to create and share awesome graphics using PicsArt app. In the competition section, we can see many ongoing competitions running every day on different topics. Users can participate in the competition by entering their graphic created using the app. Best creators are rewarded by including their name in the winners gallery. There are various types of challenges available: collage challenge, image remix challenge, edit challenge, sticker challenge, photo challenge, sticker remix challenge and draw challenge. You can participate in any of the available challenge depending upon your taste. PicsArt offers you hundreds of free images. You can download and use hundreds of free images from within PicsArt app. These images are provided by unsplash.com, which is a free images repository. You can also use images provided by other PicsArt users, edit, remix and re-upload them. Let's see the animated GIF section. Animated GIFs are fun to make and share. You can make creative GIF animations using PicsArt. Make animations of your photograph or a collection of images downloaded from internet and share with your friends on social media with ease. Stickers add a fun factor in otherwise normal photograph. You can create your own custom stickers. However, if you are falling short of imagination, PicsArt has a huge collection of ready-made stickers for you. These stickers are custom made by PicsArt team and made available to you for free. You can play with them the way you want. Let's check out the verified artist section. If you have extensively used PicsArt's abilities to create stunning images, graphics, GIFs, stickers and remixes, then your contribution is appreciated by adding your name in Artist section. You can have your verified account by providing your identity to PicsArt. A small blue badge appears by your name in app and you will get a recognition as an authority with PicsArt community. Extensive help and tutorials are available for you to learn. Need some quick tips to get started with PicsArt? Want a jump to the specific tasks using PicsArt Power Tools? Want to learn a tool to achieve a desired result? No worries at all. PicsArt has an extensive help section for you so that you can get instant tips and learn the tricks. These tutorials are available in video and text format, so you can consume them whichever way you like. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel that is updated regularly with new tutorial videos. Undoubtedly, PicsArt is not only limited to be an image editing app, it has gone farther beyond that. With the plethora of features that it offers, you can create stunning stickers, photo remixes, GIFs and much more. You can download the app by clicking on the link given in the description below. Please install and use PicsArt and share your experience with us. We are excited to get your feedback on this amazing image editing mobile app. Thanks for watching and have a great day.